Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we have learned how to change some types of sentences into indirect speech. So today we are going to learn the second type of sentence which can be changed into indirect speech. For more videos, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So let's begin. First of all, starting with the compassionate name of Allah, who is the most gracious and sublime. So today we are going to learn the second type of sentence, which is imperative sentences. A sentence which expresses command, request, advice or suggestion is called imperative sentence. For example, open the door. Now this sentence is showing us a command that someone is giving a command to someone else. Second example is please help me. Now this is showing us a request that someone is requesting to someone else that please can you help me. Now number third example is learn your lesson. Now this is an advice which is given by a person to another person that learn your lesson. Now we will learn how to change such sentences into indirect speech. To change such sentences into indirect speech, the word ordered, requested, advised, suggested, forbade, not to do is added to the reporting verb depending upon the nature of the imperative sentence in the reported speech. Now we will look at the example. You can see the first example that he said to me, please help me. Now first of all we have to observe the nature of the sentence, that which type of sentence is this, what this sentence is expressing, whether it is expressing order, request, advice, suggestion or anything else. So first sentence is please help me. In the previous slide we learned that this sentence was showing us a request, that someone is requesting to someone else that can you please help me. So first of all we have observed the nature of the sentence and then change into indirect speech. So when the sentence is changed into indirect speech, it would become he requested me to help him. Now the word please help me is replaced by the word requested. Fourth example is he said open the door. Now this is showing us an order, that someone is giving an order to someone else that open the door. So first of all we have observed the nature of the sentence and then change it into indirect speech. And he said open the door is changed into indirect speech, it would become he ordered to open the door. So this was about imperative sentences. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will learn about the third type of sentence that can be changed into indirect speech. For more videos, press the subscribe button to never miss an update.
So take care everyone and bye bye.